My name is Marc-Antoine Bigrand,
And my name is Neil Alzir.
and we're both members of Gowling WLG's cybersecurity and privacy team. We're here to talk to you about Law 25 today, which is the most significant privacy legislation development in Canada in recent years. Part of implementing this new law, the Commission d'accès à l'information, or the CAI, which is Quebec's data protection authority, has developed draft guidelines on valid consent and has invited Gowling to submit its observations regarding these draft guidelines. And today we're going to tell you about our 3 takeaways from these draft guidelines. So Neila, what principles do these guidelines present?
In its draft guidelines, the CAI suggests a hierarchy of consent bases with express, implicit, and presumed consent.
Right, and our suggestion in our brief was to propose a more flexible approach, allowing organizations to choose essentially what consent bases are most appropriate given the circumstances they're facing. What else did the CAI propose in its draft guidelines?
The CAI proposes a demonstrability principle, which requires the organizations to demonstrate compliance with statutory obligations.
Our recommendation is really to avoid introducing a new principle such as the demonstrability principle, which in practice would lead to a lot of excessive operational difficulties and also maybe diminish the reach of other valid legal bases for consent, such as implied consent. And lastly, what's our 3rd takeaway from the draft guidelines, Neila?
The CAI emphasizes transparency as an essential part of consent.
Right, and actually we have a few concerns in this regard, especially about the practical implementation, potential confusion, and excessive requirements that this might impose on organizations. It might also lead, we believe, to an increase in general consent fatigue, while the CAI is actively seeking to reduce that same thing. So those were our top 3 takeaways from the CAI draft guidelines. If you want more information, please feel free to consult our brief that we posted on our website, and also feel free to reach out to us with any questions.